This is gonna be video a billion. Um, it's raining all of a sudden, and the lightning just intensified out of the clear blue, or the clear black, or whatever. And I'm pointing my camera up this direction a little bit. If the lightning strikes again like it has been, you'll see that transformer sitting in front of me. There's a cloud over that moving west. Once again, complete opposite of what the hell's on the radar. And the storm's definitely coming in from the east, but I can't see it on any fucking radar whatsoever. Kind of forgot what I was gonna say, so fuck it. I'm just gonna sit here. Whoa, holy shit. That was behind me. I don't even know if that showed up on video or not, but that just... Ooh. I can see the rain coming in from the marina lights. Oh my god, that was fucking amazing. That's gonna be one of my better videos right there. That was a beautiful, absolutely beautiful lightning bolt, and it stretched off like it had an elbow. One was purple, the other one was yellow. What I was gonna say is, I noticed the heat lightning exactly where that bolt was just now. Holy shit. That heat lightning has got, whenever I do see it behind the clouds. Holy shit, that was fucking awesome. Either way, it turns the sky green, that's all I'm trying to say. I'm gonna sit right here right now, and I'm not going to move, because I'm kind of scared. Which is more of a reason to move away, but... Wow. There's that green light I was talking about. I don't know if that pulled up. Let me adjust settings real quick. Once again, that thunder is shaking. Get over here. The thunder is shaking my windows. I'm just gonna sit right here. I should probably take my, whoa. I should probably take my car keys out of my pocket. Now I'm facing west. This storm just moved over my house from the east. That was bright. Damn it, man. That was really bright. I had to move around a little bit. Now I'm facing directly west. This is 110 billion% proof that radar, all of the radars that I looked at, all